Okay, today I'm here to talk about the situation that happened. So, we recently did brakes on this customer's car about 500, 600, 700 miles ago, something like that. And they were saying that after they go for a drive, that they start hearing a grinding noise coming from this driver's side front over here. So, I went ahead and test drove the vehicle, and yeah, you definitely hear it and feel it in the brake pedal. Not coming from the rear, and it's absolutely coming here from the driver's side front. Took everything apart. Everything's taken loose now, but upon inspection, everything looked fine. Sometimes what can happen is the quality of pads can definitely make a difference. These are still a good quality pads, but we're going to go ahead and upgrade them to import direct brake pads. So that way can help with the noise there. Okay, so in these situations, if it ever happens, it just turns into a customer service type of situation where you just go ahead and take care of the customer. All right, guys, that's a tip for today. Good luck.